The branches of the pine trees. They seem to avoid each other in a perfect way. It's almost as if the trees allow for each tree to have its own space. They are growing in harmony as well, each making room for one another. The pine trees are all one big family, living in the forest in harmony. Each tree only wants to reach for the sun. You are so blissful and relaxed. Take a few deep breaths in and out as you surrender your anxious ways. You are here because you no longer want to be anxious. So let go of these old ways while you rest here in the ancient forest. Every moment that passes by, you are more relaxed. You feel more whole. And you feel balanced and harmonized. So you stand up from the soft pine needles and walk back towards that closed door. You see it before you and reach for the handle. As you step through the doorway, you step through bringing a new way of life, one that is calm and relaxed, confident and grateful to be alive. And leave that door open, having access to the magical forest of peace at any time that you need it. Returning your awareness to your body resting heavily on your bed or chair. Notice how relaxed you are. Returning your awareness to the present moment. Open your eyes whenever you're ready and reflect on how you feel.